In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this set of mesh-based lights by using an emission shader and an array modifier. This is how the scene looks like, and I have used an empty object with Z, rotation set to 60, to create the mesh and light objects. This was the base mesh, and I have used a cube, and used the empty object as an anchor to duplicate the mesh around the 3D cursor. 60 degrees on the Z axis means we can duplicate the mesh 6 times. The same logic was used for the light objects that are actually spheres with an emission shader. This is how I have created the first petal mesh. Ctrl R to add a loop cut, and type 1 to select the vertices. S and Y to scale on the Y axis. The idea is to create a sphere, add an emission shader, add an array modifier, and use the same empty object to duplicate. I have used a metallic material for the base mesh. I duplicated this mesh, moved it to the petal mesh's tipping point, moved the origin to the 3D cursor, and arrayed it. Then I duplicated the mesh one more time, and all 3 spheres have unique colors applied on their emission shaders. Here are the composite nodes. This is the end of the tutorial.